Today we're making a passport cover. And you'll need your passport, of course. You'll need 2 pieces of fabric, 6 inches by 11 inches. You'll need an outside fabric and a lining fabric. You also need something called fusible fleece. You'll need that 5 3/4 inches by 10 3/4 inches. If it would be easier just to cut it 6 by 11 and trim off a couple sides, that'd be great too. So this product has a soft side and it has kind of a crunchy side. This is the part that gets ironed down. It has an adhesive to it. So we're going to work with that first with the backing piece. So we need the wrong side facing up. We're going to take this little scrunchy adhesive side and put that down. The reason we cut the inner facing a little bit smaller is because we do not want it to go over the edge at all, because it'll make a mess of your work surface. Okay, we need a pressing cloth. Alrighty, we have that pressed down. All right, now we're going to work with the backing piece. Oh yeah, I ironed that a little crooked. Oh well. That's the thing with a pressing cloth. Sometimes you can't see underneath it to know if you're doing is shifting it. You have to use that pressing cloth though, because otherwise you put your iron right onto this, it'll just pick it right on up, and you don't want that. Alrighty, so now what we're going to do is we're going to make a little sandwich. We're just going to face this down, and then we're going to put this one, so we've got right sides facing together basically. We're going to go ahead and take a 1/4 inch seam all the way around. Leave a little spot for turning though. Okay, corners have been clipped. Let's go ahead and turn that right side out. Okay, we have that turned inside out. Now we need to iron it down so that we get these seams right on the edge as they should be. And then let's get this closed too. So fold this down 1/4 inch each side and press it really nice and firmly. We're going to take an 1/8 inch top stitch all the way around. All right, we've got all the top stitching done. By doing an 1/8 inch, we also grab that spot where we turn, so it closed that. Now let's flip that over. So now we have the lining facing up. So what we'll do is put our passport in the middle. We're going to fold the sides in to catch the passport. We're going to actually do a stitch here, here, and then at the bottom as well. We're folding these over 1 1/4. So be sure to measure. If you go 2 inches, you're not going to have enough room for your passport. So measure those in 1 1/4, and then go ahead and stitch them down. I want some loose pages available. There you have your cover for your passport.